Hey guys, this is Neil and welcome to Cloud Connect. So in our previous video you have seen how to use Terraform and allocate resources in AWS. In this video we thought of going through the same topic but with a different hands-on. So we'll try to create a EC2 instance using the Terraform. So it's very simple. Let's just get started now. So we are in the AWS management console. So go to EC2. I have already one instance running in here. So we'll try to do SSH into this instance, and from there we'll run our code. So just copy the public IP and go to the terminal, type SSH-I, then the key for the instance, then EC2 user@public IP. That's how you go inside your instance. So in our previous video you have seen we have created a folder called test AWS. Inside of that folder we have created a file main.tf which is a Terraform file. So let's just open that file, and as you can see I have already explained this code to you till this one, the Terraform and the provider. So the new code you can see is the resources. So this is one of the resources, and AWS install. By mentioning this AWS instance, the Terraform will know that it has to create an instance. So you can give any name in here. I have given a front end. So then AMI, this is one of the most important part of this block. So AMI is the distribution system, like the OS you are going to run in your instance. So suppose you have to run a Ubuntu server, so the distribution you have to select. So the question occurs is like, where can you get this AMI? So let's just go back to our management console in here. So go to launch instance. When you click on the launch instance, it will provide you with all the distributions. Okay, so as you can see we have Amazon Linux, Red Hat, different distribution it has given to you. So let's just click on the free tier because we don't want to spend any money on this thing. So when I click on the free tier, there are some certain distribution change, and I can see this is the AMI code. So this is the particular AMI code I have copied, and I'm running into there. Just copy this thing and go back to your code. So this is the AMI I have given. So instance type, so we'll run the T2 micro, which falls under the free tier of AWS, and the key name. So key name is the key which you are going to use to SSH into your instance. So if I go back to our console, so this is the instance is currently running in my server, in my AWS. So if I go down, I can see a key pair name. So this is the key pair I have already created, and I have associated this key pair with this instance. So whenever you launch an instance, you have to give a key pair. So I have already created, so I'm going to use this key pair into this into creating this new instance. So everything is fine. Let's just try to validate this code. So to validate this code, type Terraform validate. So success, the code actually works. Will be confirm if it's work or not after we do the apply command. So when you enter, it will try to create the EC2 instance, and it will show you what it's going to create. So let's just verify once. So as you can see, instance will be created with the AMI. This is the AMI ID we have provided, and the instance type we have provided T2 micro, and the instance key, this one. Everything looks fine. Let's just go back and say yes. So it will create an instance. As you can see, it's saying now AWS front end creating, so it will take some time, maybe 5 seconds or more than that. Let's just wait for a bit. Okay, while this thing is creating, we can go back to, okay, yeah, now it has been created, so it took 31 seconds. As you can see, the ID has been provided, and apply complete, resource 1 added. Okay, now we just have to go back to our console and refresh this one. Yeah, there it is, the hello world, the tag name we have given, and it's initializing, the instance is running. Let's just click on it. This is the new IPv4, the public IP. This is the new public IP, and this is a private IP. And let's just check if the key has been associated. Yes, the key is there, the key has been associated, and it is using the Amazon 2 AMI. Okay, so everything looks fine. Let's just try to SSH into this. The status check is still initializing. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll tell you from where you will get this kind of code. So generally it's very simple. You will get this code from Terraform documentation. So the thing you have to search is like Terraform Create Instance. Okay, when you click on when you search for Create Instance, the first thing it comes up is AWS Instance Resources. Okay, if you go inside, it's loading. Okay, yeah, we are here. As you can see, there are lots of code, but this is the part where you are actually specifying an instance, or you are creating an instance from a distribution directly. Okay, so you don't actually need this one. You can directly use the AMI as we did. The AMI is readily available in AWS Marketplace, and AWS is and coming from an out of the box, AWS is providing you. So this is the only simple code we just need to create an instance. There are lots of other arguments are there which you may need in the future purpose. Obviously will need whenever you are creating instance. You can provide security groups, then other, you can attach an EBS optimize, then instance type we have given. There are lots of options are there. You can provide this. You can give a VPC, security groups, etc. Then you just have to copy this code, change the AMI according to your requirement, the instance type again as your requirement, and provide the key name, then it will work. So now let's just go back to our console. Let's try to see if it has been done. Okay, now the status check shows that it's working fine. We'll try to SSH into this server. I have copied the public IP. Go back to our console. SSH-I our key, then EC2 user @ Okay, this is giving me a timeout. That means there is some issue with the security group. So let's just check it. Let's just go ahead and click on the security group. This is the default security group it has taken. As we have not provided any specified security group, it has taken this one. So as you can see, it's anywhere is there, but still. Okay, now let's just go back to this one and try to access. Now it's in. So I have just allowed port 22, and I was able to go inside of the instance. So this works. Now everything looks fine. I hope you understand this one, and we'll try to delete everything now. So I'll try to go back to our instance. In here I'll run Terraform destroy. So it will show you what it's going to delete. So it's going to delete this ARN number, the instance. So it's fine. Go ahead and yes. It will take some time. Now if we go back to our console, the one instance is running. Okay, so now it's gone. That's it, guys. So I hope you'll like this lecture. See you on the next one. Thank you.